Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Biometrics and Password. Following that, tap on Lock Screen Password. Select Change Unlock Method and click on the best one for you. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. Now you need to create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you are finished, click on Done at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, just click on Add in this pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. I will go with Cancel though. So now when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!